Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. In this video, we're going to refresh this bathroom. This is the guest bathroom and the girls' bathroom, and we're trying to completely change the look with a budget of around $200. Tonight, we're gonna get started prepping, and then tomorrow we're gonna paint and change everything else. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out and how we do it, then keep on watching. Now, let's refresh this house. As you just saw in my intro, it's really dark in here. So we're gonna be lightening everything up. The walls are gonna be a lot lighter, and then we're gonna be painting some of the hardware, spray painting, to change colors and just change things up in general. This house is 120 years old, and there's some really cool details, like this window is so cool, but it's the only window in this bathroom. So it's super tiny. And it doesn't let a lot of light in. So that's one of the reasons we want to lighten up the color. This is the color that it's been for a long time, and we keep touching up the paint and redoing parts, but never a change of color. And then obviously little details like changing the shower curtain can completely change the feel. These shower curtain rings look nice, right? They're so old that they started breaking. And so I just replaced them with these plastic ones so they don't match. Over here, we're gonna spray paint these silver to gold. So you can see the other one over there. And then a different mirror. We're going to keep the cabinets for now and then maybe change them at a different time. I really like these pools. They're really pretty. I think they go with the style of the home, the 120-year-old home. Kind of like the flooring. I think it goes with the style of a Victorian home. So I just want to change them a little while keeping the detail. So I'm going to spray paint those as well. That's what these look like. And then new bath mats. Basically anything that I can spray paint, I'm going to spray paint or paint. And then this is just where we keep the girls' cute little towels.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh.
Using spray paint on the hardware we already had saved tons of money and refreshed the look of the tarnishing metal. The only downside is that my finger got really tired after spraying all of these pieces. This darker piece took the most paint, but the lighter metal needed fewer coats.
Soaked in luxury, a leopard in a hurry. Where's that waterfall? The source of it all. Where's the essence of me?
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Thank goodness for nap time and help from Dave. We were mostly able to finish this project in a couple of nights after the girls went to bed.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
I'm thinking you were made for me.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
Wait now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my
Okay, everyone, we did it. It's all complete. It's so much brighter in here. Hello, you can see me. So much spray paint, so much white paint. I love the big mirror. It's much bigger than the last, so it makes everything seem bigger. We spray painted the handles, as you saw from earlier. Spray painted everything that was silver pretty much, and replaced the light switch covers and the actual switches, which Dave did because that's beyond me, electrical work. Another upgrade that we did is that these switches have dimmers, so that makes things really nice. I know that the shower curtain will eventually lose the wrinkles that it has as well. And then I love how bright this corner is. It was so dark. I used the little pieces that we had on these shelves that we had before because I liked it and I thought it went, and then it helped us stay in our budget. And then I might put something up there because, especially through the camera lens, it looks kind of plain up there. And it all goes really nicely with this window that we talked about when I first showed you the bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that transformation. We ended up spending around $250, so around what we were hoping. Of course, depending on your specific choices, you could spend a little more or a little less on a project like this. We have a huge mess in the hallway, so if you like cleanup videos and want to watch me clean that up, it'll be in my next video, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.